Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple coconut chicken curry sauce. Yes, it's really tasty. To know how I made this, please watch till the very end. The first thing you have to do is boil your chicken. You can marinate overnight or for some hours, but I'm doing this right away because we're going to eat it as soon as possible. Just allow it steam a bit before adding in some water. Let it boil in its own juice before you add in some water. So I'm going to be making use all of these for this recipe. I have veggies here. I have carrots. I have some bell peppers. Then I'm also going to be adding curry, salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and of course some seasoning and also coconut milk. This is the star ingredient. We're going to be adding some coconut milk. You can use any brand that you like. This is not an ad. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. You are amazing. I truly appreciate you. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, now will be a good time to give us a thumbs up. Do you like these colors? You can add as many veggies as you like. So this is our coconut milk, and I'm going to be adding this to the chicken. If you want your stock to be very thick, then you need to reduce your chicken stock. But I'm going to be using this for rice and I need all the juice. You can also add a little bit of corn flour if you want it really thick. But I love mine just like this, and I'm going to be enjoying this with some rice. Will you try out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Not every time rice and stew, you need to try something else. And this is very delicious. Your whole family is going to enjoy this.